shut me up, 'cause I'm on a mission and I won't quit now. In a world full of followers, I'll be a leader. In a world full of doubters, I'll be a believer. I'm stepping out without a hesitation, because the battle's already been won. I'm sold out. I'm no longer living just for myself, running after Jesus with my whole heart. And now I'm ready to show I am sold out. I'm sold out with every single step that I take.
你要找不到这只飞鼠，明天就别想加餐了啊，太费劲了。
Gonna be making it count. I am sold out. This ain't just some temporary phase. You can't face this kind of grace and leave the way.